Hi friends, Pradeep over here. Today I am going to review F&D 5600 watt PMPO model number F55X speaker. It's almost cost like 4,200 Indian currency. So the thing is like right now I am already using Iball one. You can see it, and this is the F&D one that I have purchased. So what I am going to do is like I will play some songs over here in Iball. Iball Raga 2.1 that I am using, and simultaneously F&D also I will play the same song, so you can hear the differences between the song quality. So there is the F&D satellite speaker, this is one and this is another, and this is the Iball one which I am using. So this is not a wood, but the Iball one which I am using is a wood. Okay, so let's go ahead and play some songs right away so we can check the sound quality. Right now it is F&D. Let's play the same section of the song in Iball itself. My Iball speaker, whichever you are seeing over here, it's almost like 4.5 years old, and the price is not more than 1,000 Indian currency. And the F&D one that I have purchased it just now, I received it just now from Amazon. The price is 4,000 rupees. So almost like my Iball's 4 Iball speaker is equals to 1 F&D speaker. So you can see the sound quality is not that much good. I can say that my Iball one is giving me a better sound quality, though I like the bass. The bass in F&D speaker is better, but otherwise if you do not trust do not go for the bass, I think the Iball one is more better. It will give a more better quality of sound. Let's switch to F&D. See a lot of difference in same section of a song, so you can hear the lot of difference in the sound and all. Let's switch to F&D again. Play the same section. So I think my review will not go for the F&D. The F&D may be a better review, better choice for some other people, but if you ask me which one I am going to select, I will not select the F&D one. So the model number of this particular speaker is F550X. This particular F&D one is I think the most advanced 2.1 speaker that they are selling, but I will not go for this one. So let's wait for one more speaker that I have ordered. And I don't know, this particular satellite speaker over here on the left side, it is having some problem as well, and the right side speaker seems to be working properly, but somehow I don't like it anyway. So other feature I will quickly show you. So you can see it is having a NFC, so you can just tap your phone and record. You can tap your phone on the top of the box, this particular speaker box, so you can directly connect. So this is automatic multicolor LED. In front color LED it will change. It have a USB option, Bluetooth option it is having, so it's not written over here, but you can see it on the top. So yeah, so that's how it works. But I think I will go for the Iball one, my old one that I was trying to change. It gives me a much more solid sound quality. I repeat one more time, the F&D speaker is having a good bass, but overall sound quality is not good. Thank you viewers, thanks for watching.